How's it going today, everyone? Figured I'd give you guys a beautiful view of the lake here quick. I'll let you know what we're getting into on this video. We got YouTuber Mark Woods 212's demo videos he sent over to me with his two DS18 EXLs. He's got those powered by a CT Sounds Team 3000. He's got a great setup, and it's very, very loud, along with his nice Jeep. I really dig his Jeep, guys. I know some of you guys on my channel are already subscribed to him, but if you're on my channel and you're not, go ahead and go check out his channel, especially if you want to see some more on these DS18. He's got a ton of great videos of these DS18s on his channel. And yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now? It ain't gonna hurt you none. You know, like the video, throw some comments down there in the comment section. Get a little bit of engagement going. You guys are slacking on that lately, but I mean, it's all right. Gives me less stuff to type. But it's cool. I'll type back to you if you do. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into his setup quick.
All right. Let me show you guys what I got. Real quick. Let's start from the back. We got two DS18 EXL XX. They're high excursions. You know, they 12s. Yeah, and they boom, man. They boom real hard. Check out the back real quick. Yeah, I'm a snackaholic, but here we go. Got a Team 3001. You know, a 4-channel Jensen. You got 4 Tipeno super loud tweeters. You know, 48 amp hours of lithium right there. You know, Timpanos in the door, 6.5s in the back. And you got 6x9 JBLs in the front. All right, let's go ahead and get some boom in here real quick. All right, let's go.
nigga.